Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Ideal suicidal poisoning. Ideal suicidal poisoning are the suicidal poisoning are cheap should be ideal suicidal poison should be cheap and easily available. It should easily be mixed with food and drink. It should produce sudden, instantaneous, and painless death. Example: opioids and barbiturates. So, ideal suicidal poisonings are opioids and barbiturates. Most commonly used suicidal poisonings are organophosphorus compounds.
thank you and thank you for watching.